Say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me cause I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my wishes for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they bitchin' my archives. Jordan came back to the 4-5. If you play then you lay right there by your own kind. Pull up a 4 with a loco. Tell them when this bitch back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin. Shout out to Bobo. Moved out the trenches, now look how we live. Tell my BM to furnish the crib. Walk out the mall with some shoes for the kids. Deposit the checks in my bank full of M's. Paid up my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy for me. What I paid for some dogs could've bought me veneers. Take some piece on my neck, could've bought your career. Say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Cuffin' Cali Club eating the blunt. Let my little brother roll him a Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Madam T don't be asking for much. Pouring lean on the nuggets for once. Spill the rest of that drink in a punch. Left wrist on some my head stunt. White wish I just did it because 600 the labor, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting the punches. Hey man, nigga, go get you some money. I just got off a tour, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple M's, finna went up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit I had to go do.
Biggest, the largest, the haters, they want me. Woo, buddy, we're live. Turbo Tuesdays. I don't know if you've seen the news. Y'all seen the news? Who has seen the news? I'm the biggest, the largest. What can I say? You know? What can I say? The biggest, the largest, the best, the best, the best. We're live. We're doing it right here, right now. Big news, big news, big news. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I bet you can't guess. I bet you can't guess. But, you know, let's guess about it. Guess what? Patrick Wieland is on the big board. Number 22 out of, I don't know, 50,000 fucking traders. Ranked up number 22 only after like 15 days of trading in those accounts. So I don't know where my competition is because I don't see them. They're behind me. They're down low. They're down bad. They're deleting their YouTube streams. They're losing money every day, and they're broken. We broke them, boys. We broke the competition. They can't handle the pressure. Well, guess what? Guess who can? The number one day trader on YouTube. We can handle the pressure. We are live. We are living, boys. We are winning. Hey, you know what's funny, though? When you look at it, when you think about it like this, so my win-loss ratio, 72% right now, right? 72%. If you look at Dakota, you look at Nick for a Tick, the people on Top Step TV, I think Dakota's win-loss ratio is 30%, and I think Nick for a Tick it's even like 30, 40% as well. So who would you rather watch? The guy on YouTube hitting 73%, 72%, up 93,000, or the guy who's hitting 33%? I don't know. The odds are in my favor right now. Looking at the NASDAQ, this overnight move, not looking very sexy right now. A little bit of a double bottom. This 460 area kind of looking a little interesting down here. Kind of take out these lows. So we'll see what happens once the market opens up here. That's right, we're live. If you're just now tuning in, well, you know what to do. Go ahead and blow it up, baby. Because we the biggest, we the largest. Right now, the NASDAQ, that 15-minute chart, nasty. Overnight move here. Then very, very just choppy overnight move. So we'll see what happens here once the NASDAQ opens up. This song just got me pumped up right now. I could just never trade ever again. And I had already won. You know, I already won. Mr. Leprechaun. We won, little buddy. We did it. We did it. You fucking crazy bastard! What can I say? Patrick Wieland knows where the gold is, baby. We know where the gold is. It's a good thing. I'd rather be a leprechaun than whatever the fuck Rips is. Number one loser on YouTube. I don't even know why these people, why do they even waste their breath coming at me? Because you're going to lose every god day. It is, imagine, I am a fucking freight train. People get in front of me, I run them over, and then I back up and run them over again, and then maybe I back up one, I back up over them, I crush them. Well, no, wait. I go through them, I crush them, and then I pull back just to make sure they're crushed, and then I drive over them one more time. Do you guys see the size of my fucking truck? You see how big my truck is? That truck is literally just built for one thing and one thing only, my friends. Literally for just driving over the haters. Let them hate. Look at this thing. Look at that fucking truck. Look at that fucking truck. I'm dying. I am dying. It's the funniest fucking thing. Look, that truck right there has Patrick Wieland's name all over it. Oh my God. I just drive it around and you look at it. We just look at that thing. Oh my Lord. Oh my. All right, let's get into the trading here. This overnight move we'll see what happens here. This kind of downward trend overnight. Yesterday, kind of just grinded lower all day. Where's the guy yesterday? Hey, chat. Where's the guy that said we weren't going to fill the gap yesterday? Where did that guy go? You guys remember? Remember the guy in the chat that said, Patrick, the market's not going to fill the gap today. It's not going to happen. It's time to go all in long. What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, God. What happened? Oh, man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. These kids, man. The all-in guy. The all-in guy. Are we doing another 9:30 open candle trade? We'll see. I mean, let's look at this. Let's look at this. Let's talk about it. Ooh. I mean, that thing is looking pretty tight. I heard Rips already blew up all of his accounts this morning he got short down here at the lows and it ripped his face off. Bad. Why is that guy so bad? How'd that guy get so bad? How do you get so bad at trading? I don't know. Make sure you check out marketclubhouse.com, the #1 place for market clubhouse trading. Marketclubhouse.com, the #1 place for traders. Are you looking for buys or sells today? Right now, not really looking for much. Just kind of waiting. Look at this thing overnight. Kind of weird. I don't have like a lot of excitement here. If you look at the economic calendar today, what do we got? We got a little bit of news. Ooh. Actually, hold on a second. Hold on. We got 10 o'clock news. We got some feisty 10 o'clock news. We got JOLTS job openings. We got consumer confidence numbers at 10 o'clock. Those are big numbers. We should get a decent move here at 10. So keep that in mind. 10 o'clock, big numbers coming out. We'll see what happens here today. We might have to just wait. Why are your vlogs so short? How long do you want? They're 10 minutes long. How long do you want it to be? How long do you want it to be, man? The Lambo is only so big. I can't really do much else with it. Marketclubhouse.com. Make sure you check out marketclubhouse.com. Sign up today. Check it out. Ooh, a little push up here. Look at that, a little rippy. Little choppy. Like I said, overnight, what do we got? Clearly, looking here, pivot points and all that fun stuff. We got the pivot points. We got a pivot. We stuck at that pivot point overnight. So that overnight high up there, 20,553. There's a pivot point right there. And we got a pivot point to the downside, 20,429. The overnight low. So we're kind of in a tricky spot here. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Getting very close to market opens. I'm the biggest, the largest. Stepping up on me. Because I'm the biggest, the largest. The big is the loud. Look at that boner candle right now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Up there through the VWAP currently. VWAP right there. Look at this thing. Just being stupid right now. Just doing some stupid shit right here. Just a little boner candle at open. Before the market opens here, we got about less than a minute. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like. I support you guys. You support me. You know? First time viewer. I've been bullish before the stream. Well, it don't really matter if you're bullish or you're bearish. Just let's make some money, baby. Where's the gap at? Oh, you already know where the gap is. We closed right here at the 496s, so not much of a gap here. Very small gap from the close yesterday, so we're kind of sitting right there where we gapped or we closed yesterday, so. Shavinsky in the chat. Let's go. Thailand, we're bullish on PW. I'd bet on PW. If there was option contracts to buy call options on PW, I'd fucking load the boat, you know, I'm just saying. Here we go. Market is open. It's a VWAP push. It's a VWAP. It's a VWAP. It's a VWAP. Nvidia pushed up already, filled the gap perfectly. So here we go. NASDAQ pushing up here. Oh, Lord. That next pivot point up there at the 553s. 553s, the next pivot point to the upside there. The little pump before the dump, possibly. Back to the 21 EMA. Expecting some choppy conditions here. We got those big numbers coming out at 10 o'clock, so just keep that in mind. No rush. Easy breezy, baby. Let's wait for that right opportunity here. NASDAQ pulling back here again. Taking out the low there. We got the London low down there at the 460s. ES is pulling back, NASDAQ's pulling back, Nvidia's kind of chopping around. Hourly chart's just not like it's, ugh. That hourly chart right now, not looking very sexy, but we'll see what happens here. I think we take out this low now, huh? Just double bottom. Pivot point on the hourly chart down there at the 240s. Like I said, numbers at 2 o'clock today. Sorry, 10 o'clock. No trades yet. No trades for me. Just waiting, watching. Take out this low. See what happens here next. There we go. Through the low now. Well, actually, the low down there at 52. So we need a 52 to break. There we go. Right through that low there. Took out the low for now. See if some buyers will try to step in here or not. That pivot point down there at the 430s. Straight down. Lieutenant Dan, straight down. I would think we get a little bit of a push back up off this level after taking out that overnight low, but let's see. That pivot point down there at the 29s, 429. Hard to get short down here at the bottom right now. It could go lower, but I just feel like after taking out that kind of low from the overnight, might be some reaction here. Would like to see kind of a little bear flag form. Got that pivot point right there at the 430s as well, so. See what these bulls decide to do. Like I said, should be a little bit of a bounce around this area, but a little bit of a bounce there, back into the 50s now. And there's the bounce, just like we talked about, why we're not getting short down here at the lows right now. Don't be silly, people. Don't be silly. You don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Look at that. We're right back up there into the 60s now. Nvidia's ripping back up. The ES is sitting right at a pivot point at the 840s. We got big numbers coming out here at 10 o'clock. Big numbers at 10 o'clock. Did Rips win his trade this morning? No, he didn't fucking win. He lost. He always loses. Fucking loser. Come on. Where's he at on the leaderboard? Nowhere near me. Just being patient, watching here. We're right there at the overnight low right now. People must hate that you're a good J trader. Well, they probably do. I would hate me too. You know, I would hate Patrick Wieland if I was them as well. But luckily, I'm Patrick Wieland, so I don't have to hate myself. You gotta love it. See, the one thing I don't like about this like setup right here is if you look at the hourly chart, like I guess kind of we had the bear flag there. The overnight, that was kind of the bear flag. We moved down, but I just don't like shorting into these pullback. You know what I mean? Like I don't like shorting when the market's like just kind of channeling down. Cause I just feel like it's like a perfect spot for it to bounce at. But right now, kind of just stuck here. We got these numbers coming out at 10 o'clock. Well, I'm not saying to get long. I'm just saying like it's just hard to get short right now. We got that pivot point to get through there at the 430s. That hourly pivot point down there at the 428s put us back into the kind of where we broke out back there Friday. So. Nvidia pulling back. Nvidia stuck at the VWAP. NASDAQ stuck at the VWAP here. Pivot point there at the 429s. Got 20 minutes until the news comes out here. So I don't like this short down here. I could be wrong. I 100%, I just don't like it. You know? I just feel like this thing wants to just fucking come right back up here. I like that people in the chat are feeling the same way about the trap here. We'll see. Do not say you could be wrong. You're always right. No, I could be, but that's what we talked about like yesterday. We talked about the idea of like, hey, you know, there's always more setups to come. If you're looking at a setup and you're like, I don't know about it. I'm not in love with it, you know, then you're like, hey, you can stay out of it, you know? Better to wait for the news, 100%. Nothing wrong with that. Candle needs to be a big significant before doing a flag. Yeah, correct. Correct. And look at that. See? I mean, I don't want to say I was right, but Can you explain the reason that you did not want to go short down there? Well, very simple. Like we talk about in the course, bear flags go up, bull flags go down, right? So when this type of setup is happening, if I look at the hourly chart, it's not really a bear flag, right? It's like, this is not a bear flag to me. You know? It's just not a bear flag. Like, this looks like it wants to pop up. Bigger time frames. Like, I don't want to short this like move down like this. I want to short when we're pushing up for that next move down. You know what I mean? Like, if I'm looking to short, I want to be shorting, you know, when the market's pushing up and setting up for a leg down. I don't want to be shorting at the bottom of the leg down. So, looks like it worked out in my favor. We got 15 minutes until the news comes out. 15-minute range is set. 15-minute range high is going to be 526s. I just think if I'm looking for a short, I'm never looking to short when the market's like down here, right? I'm just not looking to short down here. I'm looking to short when the market's pushing up into resistance. I want to short when the market's going like this, and then like I have this flag, and then I get that move down. I don't want to be shorting down here when this market might push back. You know, I'm just thinking about the market moves in ways. If you're struggling with this concept, we talk about it in the course itself. So look at that reversal, just like we talked about, from the 460s now up there to the 520s. You got the VWAP there, the gap fill, this 500 level. I mean, the long should be good from here, so. Let's see what happens. We got this news coming out. There's news coming out here. Trying to hold up there at the VWAP now. Right there, that yellow line's VWAP. That's the close from yesterday as well. So it's bullish back above this area. And then you're thinking next target would be that 550, 560 area from here. Kind of wait. I guess at this point, you might as well just wait till this news comes out. Not really any point in doing anything until this news comes out, I guess. I mean, we're only 12 minutes away from the news. We got the market just opened, people. We're only 18 minutes into the day. There's no rush. And remember, we still have not broken the 15-minute range here. You got your 15-minute range high, 20,500, 520 there. And then the low, so This is textbook right now. Just kind of stay out of this. Let this 15-minute range play out. Play defensively, right? Patrick, why not play the range? I'm not really a big range trader, to be honest. Just not real. I've never really been good at trading the range. I'd rather trade momentum. You know, I'm not a range trader. Some people trade ranges and they love it. I personally don't really like trading ranges. I feel like I get chopped up in the range. But like we talked about yesterday, hey, there's a million different ways to trade. You know, there are a million different strategies and ideas and concepts. And hey, if a certain thing works for you, I'm all for it. If it works for you and you're making money, hell yeah, go for it, you know? But for me personally, it just doesn't work for me. So why would I trade something that I know doesn't work for me personally? You know what I mean? Just that's how I feel about it. T-Bell had you turn with the largest. That's a good song, man. I'm the largest, the biggest. God damn. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out, blow up the like button. We got 3,000 people watching. We can get more likes on this stream. Come on. I gotta pay for the gas in my truck. Help me help you. Every like helps fill up my gas tank. You can't even imagine the miles per gallon on my truck. It's not eco-friendly. Let's just say that. It's definitely not an EV. It's not an EV, boys. Look at this thing. Oh, I need more money for the gasoline. Those are 30-inch wheels. 30-inch wheels, 44-inch tires. I can literally run over pretty much anything in my path. Nothing will stop me. Just like the competition. Competition can't beat me, and I just keep on going to the tippity top, baby. It's lonely at the tippity top. When you're up at the top, there's nobody else to chase because you're there, you know? Now it's just, I gotta keep the pace. I gotta keep the pace here, people. All right, let's keep the fucking pace. We're kind of just right now, we're right here in the middle. Right here in the middle of this move. We got big numbers coming out, 10 o'clock numbers. So, hey, if you know there's something big is coming, there's no, just sit back, my friends. Take a break. We got 8 minutes to relax here. You know, there will be better setups to come. Trust me. Right now, like, what do you know? What do you want to do? You want to try to jump in here and go crazy? Nothing wrong with just relaxing for a minute, you know? What's Bitcoin up to right now? I got a bunch of Bitcoin, baby. Oh, buddy. Bitcoin up to 71,660. Let's go. Bitcoin to the moon. I've just been buying like $2,000 worth of Bitcoin for like every week for a while. So Patrick, why so many ads? I don't control the ads. I'll turn the ads off if you guys... If we get 800 likes, I'll turn the ads off. We got 700 likes right now. Come on. Who wants it? I'll turn the ads off. All right, I turned the ads off. I turned it off, boys. I won't make any money today. It's all good. Nvidia looking very bullish here. NASDAQ trying to push. Got this news coming out here. That 500 level to get through on the NASDAQ. News coming out in less than 5 minutes. Sitting right there at the VWAP right now, this 500 level. ES already made a move. ES breaking out of the 15-minute range here from open. So I would imagine the NASDAQ is next up to make a move here through the 520s next. Nvidia trying to push. The dollar pulling back. It's primed. Everything points to a rocket to the moon here, boys. We got 4 minutes till the news comes out. Get through that 520 level. You got a pivot point right up there at the 550s. That's the overnight high as well. And then after that, you keep on going. 600s. You got yesterday's high up kind of in that 620, 640 area there. So let's see if the bulls will go to the moon here. Nvidia pushing. NASDAQ pushing. Nvidia filling the gap. There we go. Up there to the 15s now. A little breakout there through the VWAP. Got a little bull flag. Not like a perfect bull flag, but a little push up there. Look at the 5-minute chart here, kind of breaking out through this high of this candle. That's 16s, and then you got 25 up there next to get through. See what happens when this news comes out. This news could really just send us right to the 550s. Or it could also send us right to the 400s. So it should be big either way. Jolt's job opening numbers, consumer confidence numbers coming out here. We got less than 2.5 minutes until the news drops. Good thing we didn't get short at the bottom. Hey, if you didn't short the bottom today, fucking give yourself a round of applause. You know, sometimes just doing something simply, you know, just something as simple as not shorting at the bottom is the best feeling, right? You're like, damn, I avoided that. I avoided that bullshit there. And there you go. NASDAQ up there to the 520s. I think I just said that would happen, but hey, who knows? Two minutes till the news. 2 minutes till the news. We got a pot of gold behind us. Don't you worry, little leprechaun man. We're going to be green, green, green today. We're going to be green, green, you little leprechaun man. I got the luck of the Irish on my side, boys. Hey, I don't know about you, but who do you want to bet against? The man with the luck of the Irish, or the man with no luck? I would bet on the lucky leprechaun any day. Oh, he's a little leprechaun here. Nvidia pushing straight up. NASDAQ pushing. Got the ES right now sitting above. There's a pivot point at the ES at the 850s, 851 area, trying to push up here. The next level for the ES is going to be that overnight high. Overnight high on the ES is 868s. 5,868 is the overnight high here for the ES. So NASDAQ wants to go. We got a minute left here. 1 minute. 1 minute. This thing's gonna just fucking rip. I already know it. Damn it. Getting so tight right here. You got the spread right now, spreading. You got the buyers and sellers very light. You got 6 seconds. That 550 area just wants to get taken out. I don't know about you, but there we go. The news. Right up there to the highs now. Nasdaq's trying to get through this 525 area. We pushed right up there to that 540s. A little bit of trouble here. Still holding up there, the 500 area. Got a 2-minute candle trying to push up there. 520s, I think. Market trying to decide if it wants to take out that 550s there next. Kind of chopping around. We should take out that overnight high at the least. That 550 area up there. Let's see. Some resistance here at the highs for now. The ES trying to push up to make a new high. There it goes. ES is pushing. Get this NASDAQ to go through the 550s. Trying to push through the 30, 40s. Getting very tight here. Getting very tight. Nvidia's kind of pulling back here a little bit. Dollar dumped after that news came out. Bulls trying to push. Just need to get through that 50 area there next. Or 40s, I guess, at this point. Get through the 40s and then 50s, that pivot point up there next. Nvidia bull flagging. Will it break to the upside here? Trouble, trouble, trouble. We're above the 15-minute range right here. Little bull flag kind of forming. That 550, 570 kind of area up there. Need to kind of hold up here. Hold up. Sitting right there at that 15-minute opening range high right now. You got to push off this. Trouble, trouble. Got to get through that 40 area, we go higher. Through the 40s, we go to the moon. Maybe. Maybe, baby. Little consolidation here. Little consolidation at that 15-minute opening range high. Got the VWAP down there at the 500s. The 21 EMA down there as well. Just kind of watching the rest of the market. The ES, the Dow right now. Will we get some continuation through the 550s? Kind of a bullish pullback here. Just kind of waiting to see if the bulls step in and want to squeeze this up, baby. Nvidia just popped off the 21 again. Just kind of got to get back up through this, kind of break out through the 30, 40 area. The moment of truth. Again, testing that 30 area. Need to ramp it. ES is flagging. The Dow's going straight up. NASDAQ should follow through here. You should follow through, you know? Go for that 40 breakout. We had wick there on the 2-minute chart. Buyers are supporting the price. We got the 21 EMA. We got the VWAP. We're above yesterday's close. The bulls are here, baby. Let's go. Go, go, go. Right up there to the 50s next. Can you take me higher? Up there through the 50s. Come on, baby. Rip it through the 50s here. Oh, I hate when it does that shit, you know? Like, it just gets, like, right there. You're like, oh, you fucker. And then it's gotta go. Every time. Every time. Ooh. If you look bigger picture here, look at that 550 area. Get through the 550s. It's kind of like up here to 600 next. So you think like consolidation, kind of push up into here next. Just stuck right there. Looks like the ES is stuck right below yesterday's. The ES filled the gap to the upside, but it's stuck below yesterday's close right there at the 860s. Fucking, I don't know why it's so hot in here now. I forgot to turn the AC on last night. I'm a dum-dum. Now I get a sweat. Oh, and I just got done working out at the gym as well, so you know I feel like it all worked up here. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, 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 hot. Ah. He's hot, hot, hot. Waiting, watching, waiting, what the, also, why are there so many lines on this fucking chart right now? I just feel like we gotta get through this 550 area. I'd be very surprised that we just get stuck right here and don't take out that overnight high at least. That pivot point as well, like right there, 550s. I don't know, man. Market is stuck right here. Come on, NASDAQ. Why you gotta do this? you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I'd say there's a 95% chance we take out this high here. I'm 95% sure. The 5% is like, obviously this is not financial advice, but they're playing games with it, man. They're playing games. Why is it playing games? 95%, come on. God damn it. You think the NASDAQ knows that people are watching me right now? Then why don't you take buys? Maybe I'm already long. Who knows? Maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm short. Maybe I'm long in one account and I'm short in the other account. You know, I can't lose either way. Eee. How many points do you look to get? I'll take 1 point sometimes, man. 1 point, pff, done. That's all I need. Yeah. 21 EMA, we just need to fucking go. The whole market's just sitting right here at this high. Nvidia is holding us down. Look at Nvidia right now. If Nvidia can get through, break out here, then it's game on. NASDAQ makes a new high here. Something is going to happen. Jonathan, wow. Fucking A. You the man. Your win rate is 10%. Damn. Only 10%? That's pretty low. Dustin said going down hard. Seems pretty hard. It seems like it's going down real hard. I always like when people say things like, oh man, it's gonna go down real hard. I'm like, well, what is hard to you? Like 5 points, 10 points, 100 points, 50 points? Like, what is hard? You know, how hard? You know what I mean? Like, how hard is it? Patrick, I have now lost 100 Apex accounts in a row. Well, to be honest, that's impressive. Because that is literally that's 100% losing rate. So that's pretty good. If you just do the exact opposite, of what you do, you might make money. Like just whatever you know what I mean? Like whatever you're doing, just do the exact opposite and you'll be up $100 million. You know? I'm just putting that out there. You know, obviously this is not financial advice, but just putting that out there. You know, just putting it out there. Just do exactly the opposite of what you have been doing. Because if you lost 100 accounts in a row, that's very fucking consistent. You are very fucking consistent. So whatever you're doing, just do the exact opposite and you're gonna make so much fucking money. You know? Sales DFY, I have bought Pat's course. I just get too impulsive and close trades out too quick and then keep the losers. Story of my life right there, right? There's something about, it's the hoping and the praying. When you're in a losing trade, it is so hard to cut it off sometimes. But when you're in a winning trade, it's fear, right? When you're in the trade, you have fear of losing. When you're in a losing trade, you have hope of winning. How many times have you entered a trade and you said, hey, I'm gonna make sure, you know, that my stop loss is like right here, and then it goes through your stop loss and you just keep on holding. You know, it's real. It is a very real issue for a lot of traders out there. So I agree with you. I'm not, you know, I believe you. I believe you. But, you know, for me personally, $1,700 across 11 accounts. I'm not that good at math. People always think that I'm like good at math just because, you know, I'm rich. But to be honest, like I don't ever count my money. My banking, I have a little app on my phone. I go on there and I type in how much, oh, I got that much money. But yeah, it's 18,000 today, 18,700. It's not too bad. I'll take it. Also, the Top Step accounts, we took a big payout. We took a $35,000 payout, and we're up $600 in each of these. Well, this account, for some reason, I don't get it. I don't know why, but for some reason, this fucking account right here been fucking with me. You can see I actually took profit on this little push up into that 540. Just got out. It was looking weak. I still do think we're going to go through this 550s. 550s wants to go. Put it on the board. Put it on the board, boys. Put it on the fucking board right here, right now. 550. Let's go. Come on, NASDAQ. Patrick Wieland said we got to do it. Need that NVIDIA push right here. NVIDIA, break it. If NVIDIA just breaks right here, ooh, NASDAQ go wee, wee, wee. Wee, 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 wee. Come on, right here. I want 550 so bad. Oh, oh, oh! It's gonna go down hard, real hard. It's going down so hard. Oh, guys, did you see how hard it went down? Did you see how hard that thing went down? The high on that candle right there, 53. The high there, 52. Did we take out the overnight high? Very fucking close. Very fucking close here, either way. Very fucking close here. Oh, God. Thank you, thank you. 95% right there. Who does it? Who does it like that on YouTube? Tell me, tell me, tell me. You won't tell me, will you? Nobody tells me. They don't tell me. Ah! ICT, are you fucking kidding me? You're a fucking idiot. ICT don't do shit. Where the fuck is ICT at? Get the fuck out of here. I'm number 22. I'm on the big board. I'm on the big board. Where the fuck is Rips at? Where is Rips? Where's he at? Where is he at? Nowhere. Ah. Oh, God. Well, that was fun. That was fun. That was fun. Hey, I gave you a 95%. I gave you a 95% fucking call out, okay? I don't want to hear no bullshit. You know what I mean? You know, like, whatever the fuck you're gonna say, just go fuck yourself. Because what are you gonna say? What are you gonna say, people? What? What? Nothing. Nothing. Silence. My competitors, silent. 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 Look where we're at now, 570s. 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 Where the fuck are you at? Where are they at? It's just like, you know, like, what do you, look at that. What did I just say? Look at NVIDIA. Look at NVIDIA. Look at it. Would you just look at it? What do you want to say? Dude, when did you ever mention to buy or sell? You just been sitting here and now you expect for us to cheer. Are you fucking dumb? Are you fucking dumb? That's what I want to know. Are you a fucking moron? Are you a fucking moron? Because I want to come to your house and I want to beat you with a fucking stick because you're so fucking dumb. How fucking dumb are you? God. How fucking dumb are you? Patrick, you didn't tell us. 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 Patrick, are you fucking dumb? God, it hurts my fucking brain, man. It hurts my fucking brain sometimes. It hurts my fucking brain. Because these motherfuckers are so fucking dumb. They're literally they're so fucking dumb. God. Tango Blaze. Patrick, yesterday I lost a bunch of money, but today I got back on your stream hoping to get back to break even. Well, let's hear what happened, Tango. Tango, tell me what happened. Tell me, Tango. Break even! Let's fucking go! ICT smoke you. Are you guys, are you fucking I can't. I'm dumb. I'm done. I don't even care anymore. I literally don't give a fuck. I'm so fucking over this shit. Fucking morons. Patrick, you didn't tell me. Will you just shut the fuck up? Go back and rewind the fucking stream. What did where'd we go to? 20,600. 20,600. I can't, man. I can't. I just can't anymore. I literally can't. I can't. It hurts. My brain fucking hurts, man. I am tired of this bullshit. I am tired of it. I'm on the leaderboard. What do you want from me? I'm in the green. What do you want? It's never good enough. It's never good. I'm literally I'm in the green. What do you want? Like, what do you want from me? What do you want? What do you want? What do they want? You know, what do people want from me? I don't even understand what they want anymore. Like, when I win, it's not good enough. When I fucking tell them exactly where the market's gonna go, I didn't tell them. When I hold their hand and wipe their butt, it's not good enough. It's never good enough for these people. It's never good enough for them. I can't. I just can't keep living like this. I cannot keep living like this. God. I just can't. I cannot just keep living like this. It literally hurts on the inside. How much do you make from each stream? I don't make shit from this stream. I turn the ads off. I turn the fucking ads off. I turn the ads off. I don't even make money from this shit. I turn the ads off. And then how am I gonna pay for my Lamborghini? How am I gonna pay for my Lamborghini now? How am I gonna pay for it? I don't even know. I I don't even know. Yo. Hey, if you live in South Florida, guess what? I got some big news coming out. I'm going to be launching the Patrick Wieland Fantasy Factory. And yes, it's going to be wild. I'm going to build out I got a fucking 2,500 square feet fucking office that I'm building out. I'm going to have the racing simulator. We're going to have the cars. We're going to have like fucking 20 computers. It's going to be crazy. Next year, baby, January 1st, we are launching a whole new experience. A whole new experience for day trading. It's gonna be next fucking level. We're gonna have people trading live. It's gonna be wild. Patrick Wieland TV. That's what it's called. Patrick Wieland fucking TV. We're doing everything. We're gonna do some meetups. We'll do some cars and coffee. It's gonna be sick as fuck. And I am excited. I'm fucking pumped. I'm signing the lease this week. Oh, man. There will be nobody doing it like we do it. Nobody. Look at my truck. Look at that thing. God damn. God damn, Junior. God, look at that thing. And yes, I know. Patrick, why do you drive a big truck? Does that mean you have a little pee-pee? Yes. I have a little dick, all right? What do you want me to tell you? What do you want? I got really big balls, but I got a little dick. You know, when I walk around, my balls hit the ground. But my dick's not as big. But I got big balls. I have literally defeated everybody. Top Step. But the funniest shit is that Top Step thought that having the big board was gonna like, you know, put Patrick Wieland down. You know, like, oh, hey, we'll come out with a big board, right? We'll come out with a big board. Michael Patek. The big board has the best futures traders in the industry right here, right now. It backfired on these motherfuckers. It backfired so good. It's so amazing. It fucking, oh, now what are they gonna do? Oh, Patrick's on the big board. Where the fuck is Rips at? Where is he at? Where'd he go? Oh, God. You can't beat me. You cannot beat me. Impossible. You can't beat me. You got Rips over here losing $5,000 on his live stream and then deleting it. Yeah, we know, Rips. We know what you do, you piece of fucking shit. Look at him. He deleted his live stream, but don't worry. I got people everywhere watching, Rips. I know everything and I see everything. I am the man. I am the myth. I am the legend. I'm the $1 million man with the $1 million plan. All right, all right. And the best part is Rips goes on Top Step TV and sits there and acts like he's a fucking genius. But he doesn't tell the people on Top Step TV that he lost fucking $25,000. Yes, he was trading a combine, but yes, like we get it. Yeah. Oh, Rips, what happened? You deleted your live stream, bro. Why did you delete your live stream? Why? The funniest is all these other streamers love to talk shit about me and say how I'm not transparent, how I don't show the losses, how I trade multiple accounts. All of this stuff, you know, they all Patrick. But guess what? I'm on the leaderboard. Where the fuck are they at? There's nobody on the leaderboard that's anywhere near me. So what does that mean? What does that mean? You know what I mean? Top Step TV shows the leaderboard every day. I have deleted the streams, but not because I lose, but I deleted the streams because I showed like my address or I said something really insane, so I had to delete it so I didn't get like canceled and stuff like that. But hey, I'm not denying that I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that I've never deleted a live stream. But what I'm saying is these other people, they all love to talk about how Patrick Wieland is a scam, how Patrick Wieland doesn't show the truth, how Patrick Wieland doesn't trade. You know, that's what everybody else wants to talk about. But guess what? They all do it more than I do it. They're all fucking losers. Losers. I got everything, Rips. I got it. I got it all. I just playing. I'm just having a good time. I'm pumped up. I got more pre-workout. I'm jacked right now on pre-workout. I just left the gym. Did some squats this morning. Oh, you know how we do. We go big. We go big with the squats. We push and we push and we push. And we push that fucking account to $99. 99. That's right. $99. 99. Oh, wow. Look at that. Now ICT's got a tech issue. This guy's got more excuses than I've ever seen in my entire life. This motherfucker. How many fucking excuses can one man come up with? Tech issues. No, he's not having tech issues. He just fucking blew up his demo account for the day. He just blew up his fucking demo account for the day. That's his tech issues. That's that motherfucker's tech issues. Look at this. Where is it at? ICT said he wants to race to the top of the Top Step leaderboards. It's gonna give me a head start. Well, I'm in 22nd place. So where is he at? Where did he go? What? Is he somewhere? Is he on the leaderboard? The man who God taught. Think about that. Patrick Wieland, hey, let's think about this really quickly. Let's be serious for a moment. Wait. Oh God. Let's be serious for a moment. Think about it. This person, ICT, Michael Hudson, he claims that God taught him to day trade, right? God. And he still can't even beat me. You know, like God didn't teach me. He didn't. Like, to be honest, like I wish he taught me, but he didn't teach me to trade. So to think that there's a person out there that God taught to trade that is actually worse than me, I'm like, damn. Is God not good at day trading? You know, is Jesus not very good at trading? And I don't know. Questions that need to be answered. God just might not be the best day trader on the planet because Patrick fucking Wieland is. Patrick Wieland is the #1 day trader on YouTube. Where are you at, God? Where is he? He can't beat me. He can't win. Oh, I love it. You gotta just love it. Look at that. The 21 EMA. Who would have thought? Look at how we pulled back. Where did we pull back to? You know, close your eyes. Just close your eyes for a minute here, people. Just, oh God, shit's getting wild. I want everybody to close your eyes for a minute, and I want you to look at this chart, right? I want to get rid of everything on the chart, and let's just think about this, all right? What do we got? What do we got? Let's be serious. I'm being serious with you guys now. What do we got? We've got a couple things to think about, right? 15-minute chart. This is our opening range, right? 15-minute opening range. This is a textbook 15-minute opening range breakout. Now look at this. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Do you think it's a coincidence? Do you think it's magic? Do you think that magically the market just bounced right there? Do you think you think ICT made it bounce? You think God made it bounce? No. Patrick Wieland's motherfucking opening range made it bounce, motherfuckers. The high of that 50 of the opening candle. What was the high? 526. What's the low on this candle? 527. Can you believe it? Is it rocket science? Did I have to create a fucking cult to get people to believe me that, hey, guys, check this? You know what I mean? Like, I don't have to come up with excuses. I don't have to come up with, my live stream's not working, or, God taught me to trade, but God didn't want me to make money, so I don't actually trade real money. And, I'm going to win the Robbins Cup, 11,000. You know, I don't have to make excuses because I'm just this motherfucking good. Like we said, at the bottom, rewind the fucking stream. At the bottom, simple. 440s. Don't get short down at the fucking lows. That's over 100 point back to the highs. Anybody that fucking shorted this morning, you're a moron. If you went short this morning, you are a moron. There was no reason to short. Don't go fucking, don't do stupid shit. You know, don't be that guy. Look at that. That hourly chart was just a trap. You're going to tell me that wasn't a trap? Like, think about it. You had that low. You had that low. You had that low. Like that. Guys, I have never seen more of a trap than that. You know, I really haven't. I have not seen it before. And I've seen a lot of things in my life, but I have not seen this before. You know, I really have not. So, where's the guy earlier? The market's going to drop so hard. So hard. How hard? How hard? God created leukemia. No, that was ICT. ICT created leukemia. What do you see right now in the market? I see that we like made money already. That's what I see. I don't know. What do I need to see? People always like, Patrick, what's next? I'm like, guys, what do you mean what's next? Why am I worried about what's next? I'm worried about what the fuck, you know, I already made the money. Snaggletooth, let's go. Green, 4 days in a row. Love to see it. Love to see it. Another little bull flag kind of setting up here. We put back the indicators. Got that pivot point there at the 550s. Kind of looking for another breakout through the 600 level. We got a pivot point up there at the 620s. Michael, true story. Got leukemia. Has bone marrow transplant in June. My mom had breast cancer. I know it's a gnarly thing, man. It fucking sucks. And I had skin cancer on my back. I'm probably gonna, you know, I don't want to jinx it, but knocking on wood, definitely a very high chance for me to get cancer at some point. So I'm pulling for you, Michael. I want you. Hey, we're with you. The whole team's with you. All 2,200 people. We can go, baby. We can go. Look at that, over 1,000 likes on the stream. Big thank you guys for supporting the stream, for showing up, for recognize the real. I do thank you. What about putting on the ICT song? I can do that. I can put that on. I can put it on. I can do that for you guys. Hey, you help me, I help you, you know? Vertigo Man, the #1 song on the internet today. Vertigo Man, Vertigo Man.
Guys, I think I figured it out. ICT is confused. I don't want to say retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused and insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed. I sat there, pushed, and I fucking laid and pushed. And I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my gosh.
Push.
Little cat.
Push.
Yes.
Push. I sat there, push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Push.
Little cat. I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys. Can you take me higher? I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell course. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy.
Push. I sat there, push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my
Push.
Little cat.
Push.
Yes.
Push. I sat there, push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my gosh.
Push.
Little cat. The vertigo, man. 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 vertigo, the vertigo, man. The vertigo. Imagine if I told you that literally all you had to do to make millions of dollars is just post up online to get people to hate you, and then you'd make money. Don't be telling people the secret.
Well, that was fun. I got 15 minutes here. I'm open to questions for the next 15 minutes. So whatever you got, let's do it. I'll answer your questions for the next 15 minutes, and then I'm turning this shit off and I'm going to Chipotle. How much is the Lambo? About 500,000. How much did that mess you up driving the Lambo on the ground and then jumping into the truck? It's freaky, bro. It is freaky. Trust me. It's a weird feeling. Not gonna lie. It's weird. For sure. Is it gonna go higher? I mean, it's not looking like it wants to go lower, so. What was your entry today? For this breakout through the 40s, just like we talked about. We are looking for a push out of this bull flag, all right? We have the 15-minute range is this yellow line right here, looking for a push up through the pivot point. Is the factory going to be open to public? I'm going to figure that out, how it works. In my Apex account this morning, traded that breakout as well, looking for this push out of this 15-minute range. So we break out of the 15-minute range, we pulled back, right? So we pulled back into the 15-minute range, that yellow line, and then we're right up there, 600. So what is my total P&L? On Top Step, it's 671 times 4 plus 379. $3,000 on Top Step, and then in the Apex accounts, 18,000. So I've got a problem though. I have this, I don't know what the fuck is the issue, but so I have this account. It's a 150K account on Top Step, right? So I have this account, but look at this. It's really weird. If you look, I can't place more than 4. I can't buy more than 3 contracts. Like, see, it won't let me buy 4 contracts. And I've got over $6,000 in the account. So whenever I use the trade copier, for some reason, this account just won't let me buy more than 3. So if I go to 3, it lets me buy 3, right? So I can buy 3 contracts, but I can't buy like 3, you know? I should be able to trade 15 contracts. I have no idea why this fucking account won't let me do it. It's really weird. It's been bugging out, and that's why the balance is always off from the other accounts, which is kind of annoying because this account should be a lot higher. I don't really know exactly. So, whatever. Are you still getting away from prop firms? Yeah, you know, in January of next year, I don't really see a reason to do it. Gandalf, when you trade live, could you always show when you have a trade on? No. I can't. I'm not going to. I don't need to. If you don't like it, don't come here. You know, don't come trade. I don't know. Don't come watch me, I guess. Go somewhere else. I literally tell you exactly where the market's going to go. You know, so whatever. How much capital are you going to use for the live account? Probably 300,000. What are my thoughts on TBM? I don't know. Don't really have any thoughts, to be honest. I don't really think about him. He's not really like someone to think about, to be honest. Not really much going on over there to even think about. Do you trade through the day from time to time? I do. I try to not. I'm definitely... if I look back at my P&L, most of my losers happen by me coming back and trading, you know, trading in the afternoon and then losing money. So I try to not do it. I try to turn it off and just do it. Put $1 for every subscriber in your channel for your live account. 260,000. Okay, I'm in. Kamala or Trump? I mean, come on. What happened today can be unburdened by tomorrow, but you think about it, today is tomorrow. But you know what I really love? I love Venn diagrams. You know, I was talking to Joe. I'm like, Joe, if you think about it, right? If we draw Venn diagrams and we think about it, we're like, hey, we could put people, you know, like we could put like people in the circles. And then if we really think about it, we're like, okay, let's tax people based on the circle that they're in, right? So if you're in a circle, like you can pay the tax. But if you're not in the circle, then you don't pay, you know, like what has been will be unburdened by what has done tomorrow. And by the way, you know, I know what it's like. I know what it's like to be middle class. You know, my dad used to mow his yard. My dad, you know, he would mow the yard. If you think it's a middle class life. You know, middle class people just want to mow their yards. You know, they just want to mow it. If we just let people in America mow their yards, that's gonna make it's honestly though, think about it. When you're riding the bus, this is so cool. You know, they told me about this. They were like, Kamala, Miss President, when you're riding the bus, you can charge your phone. Can you believe that? Like, how cool is that? Like, we have such a great country that when you're riding the bus, you can hook your USB cable up and you can charge you're driving home from work on the bus because you're a fucking loser. You know, you're riding the bus, and then when you're riding it, because you live in a fucking crack shack and you can't afford electricity, you can charge your phone on the bus. That's amazing. It is just so cool. We live in such an amazing country, America. Honestly, who in the fuck rides the bus? You know, who? Ain't nobody trying to ride the bus, bro. Come on. Literally. The fucking bus. The goddamn bus. Patrick, what happened to Nutty Bar? I gave him $5,000 so that he could take his wife out to dinner. I thought that was a nice gesture, you know? I like to help the little people out there. If I can give Nutty Bar $5,000 and not even blink, I think that's a shine. That is a sign that I am the #1 day trader on YouTube. You know? So, good old Lester. Did you really? Yeah, I gave him $5,000. So, what can I say? I'm big. I'm big like that. You want to see a Kamala voter with a truck that big? There ain't nobody. They're fucking Kamala voters. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I don't want your money. I want to make it myself. Well, you've come to the right place because I ain't going to give you no money, Joe P. I got no money for you. Kamala Drive, dude. My favorite is the people like on Twitter that are like, I love Kamala. I vote for Kamala. And you look at them, you're like, God, you're a fucking loser. You know? Now you're fucking like these people that I see supporting Kamala. I'm gonna go on Twitter and let's just type in Kamala Harris and we'll see how many the people that are supporting this woman. Let's see these people. Where are they at? Where do they exist? Oh God. I don't know why Kamala supporters always look fucking like they're broke. I don't understand it. Damn, Mel Gibson? Yo. We got the baddest motherfucker to ever live. Did you ever see Braveheart? Come on. Mel Gibson said, that Kamala Harris has the IQ of a plank of wood.
Oh man, that's a big question. What's wrong? I don't think it's going to surprise anyone who I vote for.
Well, so, I mean, I'm gonna guess. Go ahead. Yeah. I'm gonna guess. Trump. Is that a bad guess?
I think it's a pretty good guess.
Well, what do you think the world will be like in a second term with a President Trump's second term? A lot of people
I know what it'll be like if we let her in.
Yeah. Oh, really?
And that ain't good.
Yeah. Well, listen.
Miserable track record. Appalling track record. No policies to speak of.
Yeah. And the border, right?
And she's got the IQ of a fence post.
The IQ of a fence post. That's pretty good. You gotta admit, that's pretty fucking hilarious. The IQ of I haven't used that one yet, but it's my new Mel Gibson. All right, what's up? What's up, Mel Gibson? Hey, you know what? You know what? Guess what? I guarantee you will not find any photos of Mel Gibson at a P. Diddy party. You know, I don't think I don't think they exist. I'm not sure. They might, but I'm pretty sure that there's not any photos of Mel Gibson at a P. Diddy party. What do you guys think? Nah, I don't think so. PW, a push to the 620s is coming. What do you think? I mean, I don't think you're wrong. I don't think you're wrong, my friend. Looks pretty good. Make a poll. Did ICT ever pay you since you won the bet? No. His followers says that all of ICT's followers said that the reason that he didn't win the Robbins Cup is because nobody challenged him. Nobody challenged ICT, so he didn't enter the Robbins. He doesn't need to win it because nobody else challenged him. Like, sometimes I think our little leprechaun, I think the leprechaun has more IQ than ICT followers. Mr. Leprechaun, I think you're smarter than ICT followers. What do you think? I think so. I think he's got to be a little smarter. I think he's got to be a little smarter. Fucking Leprechaun. The funniest is Ryan Dodgy at the car show on Sunday. You know what he told me? You know what this fucking dumbass kid said? He literally said, well, I thought that ICT was going to win the Robbins Cup. And I literally said, Ryan, do you believe in Santa Claus? And he's like, no. And I'm like, well, Santa Claus there's a better chance that there is a man who wears a red robe that flies around the fucking world and puts presents in your fucking, underneath your Christmas tree than ICT winning the Robbins Cup. You know what I mean? Like, there is literally a better chance that there is a man in a red robe flying around the planet and delivering presents compared to ICT actually making money. You know, like that there's legitimately a better chance of that happening. I swear. There's a better fucking chance, man. NASDAQ sitting right here at the 600s. Get this move up there to that pivot point, maybe. But right now, NASDAQ just kind of sitting up here at the highs. That pivot point at the 23s to push. We took out this little high already, but get this break straight through there next. A dog barking. Whose dog is that? Outside of the dog. Trying to push through this 600 level, 20,600s. Got that 21 EMA down there, 20,576s. Just stuck right now here at the top of this range. If we look at NVIDIA trying to push through 141s. You got an NVIDIA pivot point there, the 141.24s. All right, all right. Rift Design, ruined leukemia and Santa Claus for me this AM. Thanks, Pat. Damn it. My apologies. My apologies. I didn't mean to. You know, some people just... Rips or ICT, who is a better trader? I don't know. Good question. Right now, it's hard to say, honestly. We don't really know who's the better trader, honestly. Rips actually trades. Yeah, maybe. Got that 21 EMA down here at the 76s. Trouble for the bulls up here at the highs for now. Is there a single YouTube trader you think is legit aside from you, of course? I think there's definitely some people out there who trade. I don't know if they're like anywhere near my level, but you know, people trade for sure. I think Alpine Trader's all right. I mean, Trade by Mats, he's whatever, you know, he's fine. I mean, there's people out there. I'm not gonna sit here and say that nobody can trade, but what are my thoughts on Tori Trades? She's the biggest scammer in the industry. 100%. 100%. So I don't care what anyone says. I will go to my fucking grave telling people that Tori Trades is the biggest scammer in the industry. Literally. Trader Mike made 200,000. Guys, blah, blah. Everybody's better than me. I get it. Hey, everybody's better than Patrick. Yes. Everybody's better than me. I know. Yeah, just start naming names. Oh, so-and-so's better. Hey, whatever you want. Whatever you want to say. Guess what? I've been on YouTube for 8 years now, right? There's been a lot of people who have come and gone. A lot of names that pop up. They don't survive. They disappear after a year. Hey, it's fine, you know? Let them talk about me all they want. Let them hate, you know, like I'm chilling. I'm at the top. I got nothing to lose at this point. I've already won every fucking accolade there is. There's nothing left. You know, I've made millions of dollars. Millions of dollars doing this shit. How was your interaction with Tori Trades in real life? I've never met Tori Trades in real life. That was Tanya Trades. You get them mixed up, I guess. You just do gambling. Hey, if I just do gambling, then I'm the luckiest gambler in the entire world. You know what I mean? That's the truth. I'm the luckiest gambler in the entire world. If you think that I just do gambling, then literally I thank you for that, because that would make me the luckiest person on this fucking planet. And that's a title that I love to have, you know, honestly. Like, I'm like, hey, it's fucking epic. Like, if you think that I can literally gamble and make money every day, that's badass. You know, like, that's pretty fucking sick. Like, hey, I'm not gonna fight you on it. I might be the luckiest person alive. What can I say? NASDAQ sitting up here at the highs. You got that pivot point right there at the 620s. He's the baddest of them all. He said, ooh, because he want me, baby. He's really, really lucky, and he wants you, baby. Ooh, ooh, he's so lucky, lucky. Ooh, ooh, he's the lucky, lucky. Ooh, ooh, he's so lucky, lucky. This hourly candle is looking a little long in the tooth. You know, like it might be getting a little out there for now, but let's see. If we get this breakthrough here, push up to the 620s. Dude, why is the Top Step dashboard so slow? The website, is it only me or is it you? Like trying to load the dashboard on Top Step, it is insane how slow it is. Like the other day I was making the video of me doing withdrawals and I had to take like 30 minutes to fucking place withdrawals. I don't understand why it's so slow. It is like literally the slowest website I've ever seen in my entire life. And I've seen some slow websites, trust me. I don't get it. Why is it so slow? Ooh, ooh. Just to, you know, just to give the haters some love out there. Hey, there you go. Look at my gambling, baby. Nobody gambles better than me. Look at this. Oh, first day in this account, 3,000. We lost 3,000. The next day, 2,000. Next day, 400. The next day, 5,000. The next day, 3,900. The next day, 200. The next day, 900. $6,000 payout. Look at my stats. Winning trade percentage, 80%. I'm telling you. If you can have an 80% win-loss ratio, like and it's only because you're gambling, that's fucking good. That's real. That is some good fucking. You a lucky motherfucker. You know what I mean? Like you lucky. You real lucky. No cap. No cap. NASDAQ back out down here to the 21 EMA again. Trouble. That, like I said, that hourly candle, man, it's just looking a little dangerous up there, so. How long have I been trading? About 80 years, 8 years. 8 years now. Little pullback here on the hourly candle for now. We got that pivot point down there, 550s. See how this reacts here off of that 21 EMA. Did you already take a trade today? Nope. I don't take trades. I'm just here to look at the charts. So you started in your late 20s, correct? Someone said Top Step's long from the highs. Yes, awesome. Great job, guys. They're long 10 contracts from 596. Wow, that's gonna go over really well. This is gonna end very well. Oh, Lord. Time to go short. Time to go short. For anybody who's wondering why getting long up here at the highs was not the best idea, if you're wondering, pull up the hourly chart, right? Look where this candle opened at. We opened right at the high of this candle. Very rarely do you get these hourly candles that just go straight up after, you know, basically opening up right where that last candle closed. Very rarely does that, I mean, just It happens, but very rarely does it happen. I always, on a candle like this, I would expect a pullback. So the only thing they got going for them right now is that 21 EMA, trying to hold it up. We got a little bit of support. We've been consolidating here. It's not that I'm like overly, you know, bearish here, but just it's hard to get long up here at the fucking 600s. So we'll see if they get saved here by the 21 EMA. But either way, it's like holding through a 30, 40 point drawdown. Not a good idea. When are you going to come to Miami? Never. Never going to do it. I'll never go to Miami. I'll never do it. Ooh, ooh, because you do, baby. Ooh, ooh. 21 EMA. Can she support it? It was kind of like the NASDAQ would need to go like straight up right here, right now, if it's going to go. Like you just don't, on these pullbacks, like anytime we pull back, like you really just don't want these pullbacks to kind of like sit. You know, you don't want the market sitting here. You want this like to pull back and then rip up. Because if we sit right here, guess what happens? We go lower. So you really kind of, when we pull back here into that 21, like this, see this move right here earlier? Like that's kind of the move that you want to see when we pull back into that 21. You want to see those candles kind of react and then push back up. When we're kind of not doing that, when we just sit there, it just is like, oh fuck, you know, we could be in trouble and we start to dip down here. It's pushing. Like this candle right here just needs to go. Got a minute left on this 2-minute candle. If we can't get through, you know, back up here into the 90s on this candle, I think we're in trouble. If you're long, well, for the bulls, would be in trouble here. So you can see, like, you really want this candle right here to be the kind of breakout candle to push it back up. At least, like, you know, as a momentum trader. You want, if you're going to use an EMA, if you're going to use an EMA as support, resistance, things like that, well, then you want reactions at those levels. When we don't get reactions off the 21 EMA, well, then you're like, oh, fuck. You know, that's not good. So again, like you can see earlier, we bounced right here at 10 o'clock. We bounced off the kind of the VWAP in that 21. And you kind of, there we go. Oh, she tried to get back up there above the 90s. But you want momentum, right? If we're going to pull back, you want like to bounce. You don't want to just like kind of pull back and then like sit down there. Like right now, we're just sitting here and it's like, ooh, dangerous. Because if we get really weak, it's just like, you know, this thing's in trouble. So right now the bulls are trying to hold up here, but it's got to get like 90 just got to go. I'd say it'd have to like go right here, right now to get this push again. Because also, like, I'm thinking about it mentally, right? Like if I'm thinking about this, okay, if there's shorts who are shorting, let's say the shorts got in up here. If they're shorting up here, and this thing starts to squeeze back up, where's their stop at? Well, their stops are probably like at the high of these fucking candles because, you know, like if you pull back, there's that push right here. That's the momentum that we want to see off of that 21. So now it's like, it's got to go. 600s up there to the 620s next. Right? Momentum. Momentum. Rip's talking smack. Let him talk. What does it matter? Totally fine with me. Where's he at on the leaderboard? He's not on the leaderboard. Why not? I like how the Top Step TV chat is like, he's getting roasted. Where is Rips at on the leaderboard? Just ask yourself that. Whenever he talks about me, just think, where is Patrick at and where is Rips at? The leaderboard don't lie. The leaderboard don't lie, you know? The leaderboard don't lie. Why is Rips not on the leaderboard? I don't understand. Oh, poor guy. Oof. Poor guy. NASDAQ trying to push. Hey, ask Rips if he wants to buy his marketclubhouse.com website. I'll sell it to him. I'll give him a good deal. If you go to marketclubhouse.com, you can check out some great content. Good form, Broseph. Good form, Broseph. Oh, that's the best. The first comment that Rips ever sent me on Instagram was good form, Broseph. Me working out in my gym. A little weird, bro. A little weird. Just a little weird, bro. LOL. Just a little weird. Joanna, Patrick, I really enjoy watching you and learning from you, but can you just focus on yourself? Why do I gotta focus on myself? Everybody focuses on me. I don't think that's very fair. You know? Doesn't seem very fair. He literally lost $25,000 this morning, and he's acting like he's good at trading. LOL. Good job, Rips. I don't even need to talk. Like, I don't even need to like make fun of him, because I'm just like, well, that's okay. Hey, cool, bro. NASDAQ still stuck up there at the 600s for now. No blow up. How does Rips afford his cars? Well, he has a clubhouse. You can check out marketclubhouse.com. You can sign up for only $170 a month to join them, the Market Clubhouse, and listen to Rips talk all day long. Hey, he's cracking under the pressure. That's what you got to think about. Rips is literally cracking under pressure right now because he knows that he's nowhere near me on the leaderboard. So he literally, all he can do is be angry and pissed off. You know, that's all he can do. Hey, he makes more money from poker. That's fine. I make money from fishing. Patrick Wieland's a fisherman. You know, like, what do you want from me? You win. You live in Vegas. Who the fuck wants to live in Las Vegas? Patrick, I want to quit my job and come work for you. Oh, Lord. I don't know. What are you going to do? What you got? What kind of deal? Rip said he was 11th on the leaderboard. It's always something with these people. Like, oh no, I was number 11. I was. you know, back in the day, I was number 11. So imagine like if you like Formula One, you know, Lewis Hamilton's like, yeah, well, you know, last year I was number 1, you know, so it doesn't really matter, okay? Because last year I was number 1. Last year I was number 1, okay? So my results this year don't matter. Nobody gives a fuck about what you used to be. Where are you at right now? In the moment. You know, right fucking now. What number are you right now, today? Nobody cares that you used to be on the leaderboard. Why does that fucking matter? I know, like, who the fuck cares? NASDAQ just holding up here at the 21. They're trying to get it through this pivot point. The market just kind of stuck. The dollar trying to push up here. What's it gonna do? Again, nice little push off that 21 EMA here. Hey, trust me, I know what I'm doing. And if they're all talking about me, there's a reason. All right, I know what I'm doing, people. They're talking about me for a reason, because I'm winning. You know, if I wasn't winning, they wouldn't be talking about me. So think about that. You know? If I was so insignificant, if I was so unimportant, why would they even waste any time talking about me? NASDAQ trying to push through here, but I don't know. I don't know, man. So, there it is. I'm walking away in the green. NASDAQ trying to push through this high again, but just kind of stuck up there for now. So, there it is. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Wild Wednesdays. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know where to be. Right here, baby. Back to back to back. On fire. Peace to the Middle East.